Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of herbs, specifically busting some of the most common myths about everyday herbs like dandelion and wormwood. Herbs are potential tools for our health, but misinformation can sometimes lead to confusion or misuse. Let's separate the facts from fiction and empower you with accurate science-backed knowledge about some of these incredible plants. Myth number 1. Dandelion is just a weed. Now, most people might just see dandelion as a pesky garden weed, but the truth is, dandelion is a nutritional powerhouse and one of the most beneficial herbs for liver detoxification and digestion. Research shows dandelion root stimulates bile production, aiding liver function and helping the body eliminate toxins. You can brew it as a tea or add grounded dandelion root to smoothies. Now, if you're taking diuretics or medications for blood pressure, consult your doctor before using dandelion as it can increase urination. And myth number 2. Wormwood is toxic and should never be consumed. Now, the truth about wormwood can be highly effective for addressing parasites and supporting digestion when used correctly and in moderation. So studies suggest that wormwood contains compounds like artemisinin, and this is potent against parasites. Now, to use wormwood, it should be taken as part of a guided protocol and not consumed, long term. So this is far from an everyday herb, but the myth about the toxicity can be said if it's taken on a day-to-day basis and long term and not consumed in the right way. So you need to have a specific goal in mind if you're eliminating parasites to follow a protocol. And soon I'm going to be putting up a parasite cleanse guide for people to be able to follow. And you may have seen my journey here. So if you haven't seen those videos, take a look, find out about what I was using and the results that I got. Now, you need to avoid taking wormwood if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking medications for epilepsy, as it can interact with certain conditions. And myth number 3. Herbs work instantly. Now, I know not a lot of people believe that, but some do. And drinking 1 cup of herbal tea will not give immediate results. Now, the truth is, while some herbs can provide relief, for instance, mint or peppermint for soothing, indigestion, most work best when used consistently over time. For instance, build a routine with herbs like dandelion for liver health, marshmallow root for digestion, and hibiscus for hydration. And there you have it. These common herbal myths debunked. But remember, herbs are nature's gift to us. But like anything, they require understanding and respect. Now, if you're ready to explore the benefits of high-quality herbs, visit my website at naturalworkshops.com for responsibly sourced organic options. And let me know in the comments, what herbal myths have you come across? So thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel channel and share these videos. But don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss more tips on natural health for your optimal well-being. So stay happy, be healthy, and always be wise.